So this is how you can collaborate on Instagram after posting. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Instagram. Today, you will learn how to collaborate on Instagram after posting. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, let's start by opening Instagram. And once you're here, you will be put to the Home tab. So just tap on your profile pic at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on your post, the one that you want to collaborate on, any post. And then you will see that there are three dots at the top right corner. So just tap that. And then you're going to want to find Edit. Now that you're here, you're going to want to tap on Add Collaborator at the top of the screen. And if it doesn't show up, don't worry, I have another way to make it show up. As you can see, it doesn't show up on mine. It should be right next to your name. And if it's not there for you, just cancel. And then go to the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then scroll down until you can find Help. So tap on Report a Problem. And then just tap on it again. And tap on Don't Include and continue. So you're going to want to explain your problem, which is not seeing the Add Collaborator button in order to collaborate on your post. So just type something like this. Something like that can help you with your problem because they're moderators, they will reach out with you, and they could help you with your problem. So that's pretty much all you can do if you don't have the button. So thank you for watching, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.